Yo, what's up car enthusiasts? Today, we're diving deep into this sick render of a future BMW X5 that I absolutely had to share with you guys. I mean, just look at this thing. It's like a spaceship crossed with an SUV. So, let's break down this beast and see what makes it so special. Now, let's talk a bit about the BMW X5. It's been a staple in the luxury SUV segment for years, known for its blend of performance and comfort. But this render takes things to a whole new level. It's like BMW looked into the future and said, let's make the X5 even more badass. Check out that front end. The kidney grille is massive, but it somehow works. Those sleek headlights and aggressive bumper give it a really mean look. And let's not forget those huge air intakes. This thing is clearly built for speed. From the side, the profile is just as striking. The roofline slopes down towards the back, giving it a sporty coupe-like look. Those massive wheels and flared fenders add to the aggressive stance. It's like a muscle car and an SUV had a baby. And finally, the rear. Those taillights are insane. They wrap around the sides of the car and connect in the middle. The diffuser and quad exhaust tips give it a real performance car feel. I can just imagine the sound this thing would make. The side mirrors are super sleek and aerodynamic, and the door handles are almost flush with the body. And check out this carbon fiber rear spoiler. It adds a touch of race car flair. So, what do you guys think of this render? Is it a hit or a miss? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're a designer or artist, I'd love to hear about your process for creating renders like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.